I got broads in Atlanta, just to the lean the family. Credit cards in the scammers, hitting the licks in the van. Legacies, family, wait and see, look like a panda.
Hi friends, welcome to my channel Programming Guru. In today's tutorial we will study about data types, variables. So integer, number first data type is integer. After that we have float, and we have character, string, and there are some other data types. So this is the data type integer, and this is the name of the variable number. Number is the name of the variable. Variable means anything, any data type that we further can change, we further can alter it. So in number is a data type of integer. In integer we can only store a whole number, 13, that may be 190 or any other number. But in float we can only store a decimal number like 3.14 or any other number. We cannot store a whole number like 14 in float. Same in the way in integer we cannot store a decimal number like 1.90. After that, in character, alpha is the name of the variable. In character data type we can only store a single character, that may be a capital letter or a small letter or any other alphanumeric character like 8, like hash. Okay, but in string we can add multiple characters, alphanumeric characters. This is the main difference between character and string. And there are two other terminologies related with the data types. One is declaration and number second is assignment. In declaration we type the data type and the name of the variable, while in assignment we after the name of the variable we assign a value like 12. So this is the main difference between declaration and assignment. In declaration we did not assign any value, while in assignment we assigned a value like 12. So thank you for watching my channel. Do subscribe it. Thank you.